Hello friends, today we will learn how we can set up an AWS Lightsail virtual machine and how we can create a website using that. So for that, first of all, I am going to sign in into the AWS console. Under that, you can search for Lightsail and you can pin it. I have already pinned it here. So here you can click on create instance. You can choose from a couple of images. There are many images available. You can choose apps plus OS. That means there will be an app installed on top of an OS as well, or you can choose to have an OS image only. In this case I am taking only Ubuntu server 18.4 18.04. So let's create one, and I'm going to take the minimum one, which is $3.5 per month, and I'm going to give a name of my instance. And if you want to add any tags, which is a key value pair, you can add. I'm simply going to click on create. So I'll have to wait a couple of minutes and then my machine will be ready. So a machine with 512 MB RAM, 1 core CPU and 20 GB of SSD will be there with us. In the meantime it gets ready. Let's go to networking, where we can create a static IP and we can attach that to the machine. I have already created an IP, but it is not attached to anything. You can simply click on create, choose a location, and then simply you can click on create an IP. You can give the name here and click on create. I'm not going to create it because I'm already having one, so I'm going back here. Here you can see now the machine is ready. So I'll go here with my static IP. I can click here, click on manage. So this is the public address of my static IP. I can simply attach the VM, which is CS Ubuntu we created just now, and I'll click on attach. Now let us install a web server, say Nginx. So I'll click on connect to SSH. You can use SSH client as well. I have used browser-based SSH here, so you can say sudo apt get update, and so it is updating the packages. And then is sudo apt get install nginx. So it is asking that it will install around 8 MB of disk space it will use. I'm saying yes, I allow the same. There you go. So by this time now you should have on the public address, which is 36101101, you should have nginx installed and it should be browsable. Yay! So we have nginx ready, and we have web server installed, and we can now connect it using the FTP. Or for that, what you can do is you can make use of any FTP client. I have used WinSCP. So I'll click on here, and here I'm going to connect to my static IP. So you can see here I I'm making use of the SSH key in my case. So you can see here SSH authentication. I have downloaded this key, and I'm making use of the SSH key to authenticate. So I'll simply log in. So it is asking me the username, and I just entered it, and the key phrase of my SSH key. So we are in the home directory. So I'll go to where folder, under that www folder and HTML folder. I'm going to upload another HTML page. Let us create an HTML page here. I'm going here. So let us create a nice HTML page. So I have created one page. I'm just changing the title, and let us upload this. So I'm trying to upload it, but it will not upload because it says permissions denied. So we have to allow this. So what we'll do is sudo, we'll go to the directory, cd var. In fact, we don't need to go to that. We can simply say sudo change owner, so I have made myself as owner. Now I should be able to upload the file. Is it? So I'm changing the mode in that case. Making it recursive. So I'm trying to upload it again. So my file is uploaded. I am deleting this nginx file. Now let us try browsing our website again. So it says 3.6.101.101. Yay! So we have our web page ready, and we have set up a web server, created a machine, and attached a static IP to it. So I'm just going to add here